Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all children? I hope you all are fine and doing the practice regularly. Children, I want to remind you all that multiplication tables you have to revise on daily basis. All the topics that we are doing now are related to multiplication tables. If you are not perfect with multiplication tables, it will be very difficult for you to solve the sums. So, every day make it a practice to revise multiplication tables. Okay. Now, today we are going to start a new topic, that is division. Now, what we mean by the word division? Division is nothing but equal sharing. Whatever we have to share equally. That is division. Okay. So, we'll do revision with an example. We'll start it with an example. I have 12 apples over here and imagine I have 4 friends. Now, I have to divide these 12 apples among my 4 friends. But when I do the division, I have to keep in mind that sharing that I will do should be equal. That means each friend should get same number of apples. Okay. So, there we say it is division. So, 12 apples we have to divide, 12 we have to divide among 4 people. Okay. And each one should get equal number of apples. And then we have to find how many apples each person will get. Okay. So, for that, say I have to divide it like this. This will be the first share for the first person, then the second person will get this share, then the third person will get this one, and the fourth person will get this. Okay. So, I have divided 12 apples among 4 people. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if we look at the figure, if we look at the division that I have done, each person will get how many apples? 3. The first person gets 3 apples, the second one gets 3 apples, the third person gets 3 apples, and the fourth one also gets 3 apples. So, each person will get 3 apples. So, we can say that 12, when we divide it among 4 people, each one will get 3 apples, right. So, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay. When we do equal sharing of 12 among 4 people, each one will get 3 apples. This is called division. This is how we do division. Now, division we can do with the help of multiplication tables. Okay, to make it more simple, every time we cannot keep drawing the figures and doing the division, right. So, to make it easier, we use multiplication tables. Like I said, children, be perfect with multiplication tables, then only you will be able to do division. So, how we use multiplication tables to do division, we will see now. 6 divided by 2. Now, when we have a question like this, 6 divided by 2, we have to look into the multiplication table of 2. Okay, this is the number where you have to look for the multiplication table. Okay, now in the tables of 2, we have to see where we will get 6 as the answer. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. We see we get 6 over here. 2 into 3 is 6, right. So, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, right. Now, using this multiplication table, we will try to solve the division. Okay. Now, say 6 divided by 2. When we look at the tables, we have 6 here and we have 2. That means, when we multiply 2 with 3, we get 6, right. So, when we divide 6 with 2, we will get 3, or we can say that 2 we have over here, 6 also we have over here. What we do not have is 3. 3 should be our answer. Okay. So, 3 is our answer. This means 6, say for example, I have 6 balls. Okay. When I divide them among 2 people, 1 and 2. Okay, when I divide them among 2 people, each one will get 3 balls. Okay, this is what it means. 6 divided by 2. 6 when it divided among 2 people, each one will get 3. Okay. Have you understood? We can use multiplication tables to find the answer. When we have to look into the multiplication table of the second number, and there we have to see where we will find the first number as the answer. Okay, we'll try to do one more question. 15 divided by 3. Now we have to look into the table of 3 and see where we will get 15 in the table of 3. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, right? 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Where did we get 15? In the table of 3 when we were at 5, right? 3 into 5 is 15. So, when we divide 15 with 3, we will get 5 as the answer. Okay? So, the answer will be 5. Like this, we can use multiplication tables to find the answer for division. Okay? Have you understood how we use the tables? 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Why? Because we get 15 in the multiplication table of 3 when we reach the number 5. That means 15, if we divide among 3 people, each one will get 5 things. Okay? Now, we will try to do it little faster. I have some examples over here. 35 divided by 7. Now, 35 divided by 7, we have to look into the table of 7. Where do we get 35 in the table of 7? 7 5s are 35, right? 7 5s are 35. So, the answer will be 5. Where did we get 35 in the table of 7? When we reached 5. So, the answer for 35 divided by 7 is 5. Okay? Now, next 16 divided by 4. We have to look into the table of 4 and see where we will get 16 in the table of 4. 4 4s are 16, right? 4 into 4. So, when we reach number 4 in the table of 4, we get 16. So, the answer will be 4. Okay? Then 54 divided by 6. Now, I hope you all know the table of 6. Yes? 6 in the table of 6, we have to search for 54. Where do we get 54 in the table of 6? 6 9s is 54, right? 6 9s are 54. So, when we reach 9 in the table of 6, we will get 54 as the answer. So, 54 divided by 6 will be 9. Okay? Then last example, 72 divided by 9. Now, which table we have to look into? Table of 9. Okay? And we have to see where we get 72. 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72, isn't it? 9 8s are 72. So, when we reach 8 in the table of 9, we get 72 as the answer. So, 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. Okay, with the help of multiplication tables, we can find the answers for division. Children, once again, please keep practicing and revising your multiplication tables. It will be very easy for you to do the division. Okay, keep practicing, children, and inshallah we'll meet very soon with our next topic. Till then, stay at home and be safe. Jazakumullahu khaira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.